Hello, welcome to Support Karo. In this tutorial, I'm going to build on ContactUs chatbots by using MicroChat input-output website because it is very simple and easy to build your own chatbot because it provides simple drag and drop functionality to build your chatbots. So let's know how to build your own ContactUs chatbot. So let's start. If you are if you have already account on microchat.com, then it's okay, and if you don't have accounts, then just sign up with microchat.io using website URL and login. After login, you will see this is the dashboards, and go to the side menu here and click on chatbots, and then there are four templates already available here, but I would I would like to tell you how you can create your own chatbot from scratch. So let's just start. Click on create chatbots buttons. Now this is workspace area where you can create your own chatbot. So uh, give bot name here. We are going to give contact us bot. Now here triggers buttons, and here conditions, and here actions button. There are three types of buttons: triggers, conditions, and actions. Now a triggers button is used to trigger the chatbot when your opens your website. So that is triggers button. So let's start first visit on the site. When visitors visit your site, then what bot will show. So first a chat bot will be triggers when someone visit your website. So I have taken one button. Now let's go to actions and send what message you want to display. If someone visit your website, then we need to take some we need to display some message. So I'm going to say hello, welcome to my site, yeah, our site, our website, or something like that. You can display as per your requirements. So this has been displayed. I'm going to align this way so that we can now this is the first message we have displayed. Now we want to display second message, so you can also copy from same actions from here and display message like. And second message we are going to show like I'm chatbot or contact bot, something like I'm contact bot, or you can give a smileys like something you will copy paste from somewhere and paste here. So this is the second message, and now I'm going to display some another message as well so that it looks good. You can display like here, so we can. Then you need to link this message, then it will work, because if you do not link, then message will terminate there, so you need to link there. So just keep in mind. So let's display another message like and something like I'm here to you help you find what you need. Now this is third message. Now I'm going to display one more message. No, I'm going to display some questions. I'm going to ask questions to users. So you need to, if you're going to ask questions to users, visitors, then you need to place asking the questions buttons from here, right? And you can type your message here like, do you have a questions, questions you you'd like me to forward to one of our experts, something like that you can display. But this is the questions. but we want to display some message like decisions so that users can take decisions. So just delete this and take a decisions buttons here, right? So I'm just taking decisions button here and paste the same questions. Do you have a question? So do you like me to forward to one of the our expert? Then you need to decide visitors what they want to select, yes or no. Then you need to type here yes or no. Then here we are giving visitors to choose one of them, right? So if we have given visitors two options, then we need to apply some conditions here, because users can select either yes or no. So we need to provide here decisions conditions here, right? So I have provided here conditions. Then we select equals to yes if user select equals to no. No. So we have two conditions here, yes or no. Now let's work on first yes. What if user select yes? Then we need to display some message here. If user select yes, then what you are going to perform? If user select, we need to link this. Okay, great. We are going to display a message. Okay, great. Then I'm going to asking a questions. Now I'm going to ask the questions to users. Then take buttons questions. Then link that. I'm going to questions. Please enter your questions below. Please enter your questions below. Right? Then user will enter the questions. Right? Once user will enter questions and press enter, then we need to display some another message. So I have taken or send a message like thank you. Like we are going to display thank you, right? Then again we are going to display some message. You can integrate same different message in same I'll send it on to our one of team team of experts, something like that. You can display, right? So this is the we have display in one actions and two messages. So you can also do same like that. You don't need to place different messages here. So I just clicked it. Now I'm going to ask their emails, right? So I'm going to ask their emails and taking their emails from users. I'm taking their first names. What your name? What the names of users? Please also confirm your full name. Something like your full name, right? And users enter their full name. You can also validate the message. If user is entering numbers, if name is not valid, then it will display the name is not valid. It does not look like name. You can also customize this error message here, right? So I have just taken this. Then once user enter their names, then we need to display some message. So I'm going to display thank you message. Thank you, right? And then I'm going to ask the users then what methods they want to take their respond. If they ask any questions and our expert will respond you, then what is the method, by calls or by mails? So we need to ask questions, right? So here we have decisions, because we are going to decisions we are going to provide decisions to the users. Either our expert will contact through their through message or by through calls. So I'm going to here display a message to here. What is the best method? What is the best what is the best method for them to contact you. Now, please email me. Please contact me. Now, visitors have two options. Either they can respond by selecting please email me or please contact, please call me, something like please call me. Now, user have here two conditions here, so we need to take conditions buttons because we are providing going to provide the users to conditions. Visitors to select conditions. So in this case, what happened when user select please call me, and when user select please email me, if conditions, if please call email me, and then if please call me. Now I'm working on please email me. What 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 will be the next if user select please email me? Then we are suppose if users select email me, then we need to display some message uh, like okay, no problems, I will ask them to email you, something like uh, okay, no problem, no problem, I'll ask them to email you, right? Now we have sent the message to we have asked them to email you, then we need email from customers, from visitors, then we are going to take a email from visitors, right? So asking the questions, I'm going to asking the questions, so we need to ask questions here. So we can please confirm your best email address below. Then we need to validate if user is really going to enter their email address or not, right? So in this case, we need to take email of customers so that our export team will email them. Once customer enter their email, then we need to display a message here, right? Here, thank you, something like thank you. One of our experts will contact you as of as soon as possible, right? And then we also display another message like please feel free to get in touch if you have any further questions, right? And we can give a smiley, something like that, and then we can also display have a great day, something like that. So we have completed one part. Here we have used how many conditions? One conditions, and this one is also pending. Second conditions, this one also pending. So we have completed this part, and now let's save it and test it. You can test it from here, test it out. Now see, it's look like this. Hello, welcome to our website. I'm ContactUs and I'm here to help you find what you need. Do you have questions you'd like me to forward to one of our expert? Click on here. You can see we have given two options, yes and no. If user click yes, okay, great. Please enter your questions below. Like something need help, and send it. Thank you. I'll send it to one of our team Please also confirm your name, full name, something like uh, just like support kare. Thank you. What's the best method for them to contact you? Please email me. Okay, no problem. I'll ask them to mail you. Please confirm your best email. Something like support at the rate gmail.com. Click on yes. Thank you. One of our expert will contact you as soon as possible. Please feel free to get in touch if you have any further questions. Have a great day. So this is the first part we have completed in this video. I will come with the next video in second part. By then, thank you. Bye bye.